fireman coming. Yeah, yeah.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. Tell you to run. Know what to say about the young. Pick me up with golden hands. I'm gonna see you. I'm gonna tell you to run. Know what to say about the young.
For the first time in over a week, we have blue skies. The cloud that you're seeing over that apartment complex, that's the smoke from the Clackamas County fires that are nearby. But today we got rain with some thunder and lightning, cleared the rest of the smoke up, gave us some fresh air for a few minutes, and a nice treat of some blue sky.